Thanks for joining me today as we learn about trigonometry, or trig. Trig are ratios that are used in right triangles. Make sure you look at your packet to see how these ratios are set up. We label the sides as opposite from the angle, adjacent to the angle, and the hypotenuse. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. A lot of people remember these by the abbreviation SO, CA, TOA. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Later in this week, you'll learn other devices to help you remember it. To set up these problems, some of the most important things you need to know is that you're going to start by labeling the sides. You're going to label them as opposite, adjacent, or hypotenuse. That will help you see if you should use sine, cosine, or tangent. Then, on your calculator, make sure you're using degree mode. I can give you a free link to a download of a calculator if you don't have one. Otherwise, there's a table in your packet you can use. Using trig, we can find both side lengths and angles. Let's do an example of a side length. We always start with the angle we know. We are told that this angle is 40 degrees. From there, we're going to label our sides. The 5 is across from the right angle, so that's the hypotenuse. The x is across or opposite from our 40-degree angle. Opposite and hypotenuse is sine. Now we set up an equation using sine. Sine of our angle, or sine of 40 degrees, equals opposite, or x, over hypotenuse, 5. Here's where you need your calculator, or again the table of ratios, because we need to figure out what the decimal equivalent is of sine of 40. On this calculator, I'm going to type in sine 40, and then hit enter. That's the decimal that we need to know. So from our calculator, we know that the sine of 40 is equal to 0.6428. Now I just solved this using proportions, or cross multiplying. Since x is currently divided by 5, we're going to multiply both sides of this equation by 5. So 0.6428 times 5 is going to equal x. That means that x equals 3.2. We can also use trig to find missing angle measurements. We start out the same way. We are looking for angle A. So everything that I label is going to be in relationship to that angle. 24 is next to it. Next to is adjacent. 7 is across from it. That's opposite. Opposite and adjacent tells us to use the tangent ratio. So tangent of angle A is going to equal the opposite, which is 7, over the adjacent, which is 24. If you're using your table, you would divide out 7 by 24 and see that tangent of angle A is equal to 0.2917. Scroll down your table until you see that number in your tangent column, and then look what angle that corresponds to. However, if you have a calculator, you can do it this way. We need to hit the inverse of tangent. That's going to be the shift, or the second key. Notice how it says tangent to the negative 1 power. So tan to the negative 1 is equal to 7 divided by 24. And that gives you your angle. Your angle is 16.26. We have time for just one more example. We want to find the length of x. So again, from angle V, the side that's known, this is the hypotenuse, as it's across from the right angle. 14 is the opposite side. Opposite of the hypotenuse is sine. So sine of 23 equals 14 over x. Using your calculator or table, sine of 23 is 0.3907. So that equals 14 over x. Now let's solve using proportion. 0.3907 times x equals 14. Divide by both sides by 3907. So x